Last winter was epic. Don't miss out this year because the Ski.com Dream Job is back. Have you ever wanted to visit these top resorts? Aspen Snowmass, Colorado, Big Sky, Montana, Jackson Hole, Wyoming, Banff and Lake Louise, Canada, Chamonix, Mont Blanc, France, Niseko, Japan. This could be your chance. We are hiring 12 people, 2 per destination, to document what it's like to experience it all. What's in it for you? All expenses paid trip, gear from our partners, $2,000 per person, fame and glory. To apply, visit Ski.com/dreamjob. Ski.com. To the mountains.